Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry. I know it's been a long time I didn't make any video, but there's a reason for that. As you guys know, I opened my shop and you guys were following my channel. We got the good location, good looking, as the term said, good looking, good shop, and it's going well. We grow. We have like 4 employees right now, including my son. They're working good, and I have more time. I have more free time to do my own stuff. And I'm not fixing cars right now. I do the real things in the behind scene that no one can see, but it affect everything's in the shop. I realized move on to next step of my life. What is that? Using AI in my business. As all of us know, AI is improving and it's just moving in our life very, very fast. Even if you're not really in this technical, aspect of life and you're not using ChatGPT, that I'm sure you do. I realize AI is affecting our life, make our life easier, more efficient. You give you more time, make it cheaper. Just listen to me carefully until end of this video and I will show you the AIs that I use in my business, how this AI affecting my business income, revenue, and it make life easier. Believe me, just stick to that. Okay, I start using AI. What kind of AI? First, I start with ChatGPT. What I'm doing with ChatGPT, most of people they have the ChatGPT app in their phone and they use it for text, correcting their text, writing an email, writing a proper blog or something. But I use it differently. If you're an auto technician, if you work in cars, do you know you can use ChatGPT to help you diagnose the car? Do you know you can get more customer? Do you know you can get better website design or Zapier? You can integrate all of them so they can answer your emails, answer your phone calls. They can answer your text messages. Give you estimate, give directions, send a message, book your appointment. Clear the appointment, inform the customer hey, your appointment is coming. Kind of a reminder. There are a lot of things you can do. There are a lot of things. First thing I start using ChatGPT for diagnostic when I was working in the shop. What I did, let me give you an example. Very simple things. Sometimes I used to be a mobile mechanic and I had a hard time to find car information. When I was with the car, it was hard to find, okay, what kind of car is this? I know it's Mazda or I know it's a Chevy. What year is this? What's the aspect? What's the engine size? What's the year, make, model of this car so I can call a parts store and find the car, find the proper parts for this car. And I found out if I post the VIN number to ChatGPT give you a clear answer, decode the whole VIN number for you, and it tell you, hey, this car is this. Let me show you one. This is ChatGPT. Let's start a new chat, and I have a VIN number in my. It doesn't do license plate decoding because license plate is kind of a personal thing, and it needs permission, or you need kind of a third-party API and software, so you be able to decode the license plate. But as long as they can do, all right, this is the VIN numbers here. I'm gonna put it in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, hey, can you decode this and tell me what kind of car is this? You can use it on your cell phone. It's very easy. You can take a picture or you can upload the picture directly to ChatGPT. You can speak to it. You can text a message. You can voice record it. There are a lot of options. I'm gonna press enter and just wait for a second. This. Make is Chevy, model is Camaro, year is 2015, body style is coupe two-door. Unfortunately, engine size was wrong. That's one of the things you need to pay attention. Don't go for really fully detailed, but you need to make sure you understand it has some bugs, it has some problems because it's AI, it's a new thing, but it does what it need to do. Okay, next thing, what you can do. Just make sure the prompt is very important for ChatGPT or any other platform that you use like Gemini. You need to understand, you need to write the proper prompt so you can get the right prompt. You need to understand you're talking to a robot, you're talking to a computer. And you can use a mic. You can just put this, hey, this bike is not drivable, customer dropped it off and he asked me to check it. He said he just put the new batteries in it and something is going on and he's just blowing up the front headlight and the rear tail light. Can you help me with identifying the system and how it's working and what I need to check? Couple seconds and give you an answer. Okay, battery. This is a bike gas tank, stores electricity. controller. This is the brain. It's control how much power goes to the motor, light, motor, this make. Customer said the light, and this is identifying the problem. And then what should you check? What you should check? Battery voltage. Check how many volts your new batteries are. 36, 48. Compared to what bikes is rated for. Too high, and it will be fry light. Use multimeter to test the voltage. Controller sending the light wires. If it's sending more than 12 volt, what lights are rated for. This is your issue. And I use the same method step by step, believe me, and we fix that bike. Even though we are not working on bike, it's our friend's bike. You can do a lot of stuff. You can even take a picture from your scanner if you work on a car. Take a picture, and I showed this to one of my friends, and he was thanking me every time he saw me. You can post a picture of your screen of your scanner with the data. Hey, can you analyze this data? And I found a couple problems. I had a car giving me an oxygen sensor problem, and I didn't know what I need to do because there you know a lot of oxygen sensor issues, data. And I posted in ChatGPT and asked them, and he showed me the problem. He said this oxygen sensor, it should be lean, it's reach, it should be 0 volt, or it should be this. And he gave me a direction, so what I need to check. And I went to check the wires, and he said this is ground, this is signal, this is heater wire, check this, back probe, it started. And he give you a clear understanding. It's like a teacher, it's like a personal assistant next to you, and it can do that step by step, follow you. You can train it. You can even train your ChatGPT so become your auto technician assistant. There are a lot of videos out there. You can just ask, how can I train my ChatGPT? Create my own chatbot so I can train my own ChatGPT for fixing car purpose. That's another thing. And then I moved on. Okay, what's the next step for me? What I need to do to fix my cars, improve my business, get more clients, and blah 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 blah. Anyway, I introduced myself to Voice AI. Yes, Voice AI agent. If you're not using it, even if you're a single operator, if you're a mobile mechanic, if you're working by yourself, this is one of the things you need to consider. Why? I remember I was working on cars every day, and you know that one of the bad things in being a mobile mechanic and you need to be able to answer a phone is your hands. I had gloves, I have oil, I was underneath the car, I was on top of the car, hot, and I have to work, concentrate on my work, and I was call. Hey, what time you close? What time you start? Can you come? What's the next availability? How much you charge for this? How much did you charge? What would be? Isn't it really good so you can have someone answer the phone? Right now in America, average people, they get like $20, $25 per hour to answer a phone, and they need to have experience. But what if something like this, they know way better than you, can answer your phone, can handle your text, can handle your email? Isn't it good? You can use the same thing answering your phone. Let me make a call to my shop, and you can understand how this AI improved my shop. Right now we're getting so many calls, and what we can do during those calls, because this website, this software that I use, and by the way, if you want to use this software, I give you 7 days free trial. You can sign up, use it. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. And the same software that I use, and I can set it up for you. I can help you with setup. I can help you with the direction. I can help you with the way you need to optimize it and customize it for your own business. If you're a mobile mechanic, and I set this up for other businesses too. I have a friend, he's an alteration business. He sent me a text. He said, "Hey man, this is great. This is great." He was thanking me for doing this for him. And I have a business. It's a cleaning company, it's an alteration company, home maintenance company, another home maintenance company, another fence company, a lawn mowing company. These are the people, they can have a peace of mind working, making money while AI handle their phone and calls and appointments and direction and all kinds of things. Let me show you how. Let me call my shop so you can understand what I'm saying, okay?
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hey, you have reached CarTech Georgia Auto Repair Shop. How can I help you today?
Hey, I have a question. Do you guys do like a modification on the car, on an older car?
We don't do modifications, lift kits, or performance parts on cars. We focus on repairs and maintenance for vehicles from 1996 and newer. Anything else I can help you with?
Yes, what's work hours and days you guys are open?
We're open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're closed on Saturdays and Sundays. Need anything else?
Yeah, can you send me a direction?
I am texting you the direction. I've sent you the directions.
Just
Anything else I can assist you with?
text with the link.
If there's anything else
Yeah,
you
please
need, feel free to reach out.
send me a calendar link. I'm trying to book an appointment, please.
Here is the booking appointment link. I've sent you the calendar link to book an appointment.
Okay, and I have another question. I need the exhaust welding. Can you do that?
We don't offer welding or bodywork services. Anything else I can assist you with?
And another question. Do you do wheel and rim repairs?
We don't handle rim repairs, but we do offer tire replacement, mounting, and balancing. Need help with any?
This is great, man. You can train it. You can train it, give as much as information you want, and AI can transfer that to customer. I'm saving so much time. I'm saving so much time. Look at this conversation. When a customer call, these are customers. Customer call, you can go and listen what customer says, and you can see the transcript. And if you see this customer is not really willing to give the information and it's just the wrong person for your, is not a good lead, move on, go for the next one. And you can find the second one, third one, and it's all details. And you can see the transcript, their number, their information. And we sometimes AI cannot handle it. We go and look at the script and stuff, and we say, okay, this customer is good, let's give a call. And we give them a call and book an appointment. Otherwise, just we move on. That way we can understand who we need to call, who we need to talk. And a script, it gives us a perspective at what customer wants and how we can talk to customer. This is great. If you're not using AI, I highly encourage you, use AI in your business. It doesn't matter. You don't need to be a mechanic. You don't need to have a mechanic shop. If you do, use it. But if you have a lawn mowing, if you have alteration, like my friends, if you have a maintenance, if you do AC, whatever you do, you need to call the customer. You need to take the call. You need to answer the call. On the other side, you need to make money. You need to use your hands and body physically to be able to make money. AI can improve your call, improve your customer service, improve your efficiency and working, and make you way more money than you can imagine. Believe me, before that, my phone was ringing and I was answering spam calls, and then I decided, okay, I'm not answering the phone, and then I was missing customers. Right now, AI cancels it. But one good thing about the AI, in AI, there's no spam calls because there is a designated and separate phone number for AI, and you take that number, put it in a website, put it everywhere that people, they want to call you, and the only calls you get, it's customer. AI is moving into our life. In the next video, I want to show you how you can do better understanding and how you can use the AI for more advanced diagnostic, improving your shop, even improving and training your employee. If you have employee, how you can make AI train your employee, make AI to teach them how to do work and make your life so much easier. And if you like to use that voice AI that I used, free 7 days trial. You can use it. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. And if you have any question, there are emails for support and everything. You can contact me. I will help you with the setup. I will help you with the other stuff. And if you need a website, if you need other stuff too, it comes with it if it comes with a package, you can just add on and bring your whole system, CRM, software, automation, customer service, voice AI, everything, email marketing, everything in it, and we can help you with that too. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank for being here all the way to the end, and have a great day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.